Well, let's take a look at the weather now with Helen Willetts. So far, so good, Helen, but with semi-finals, men's semi-finals tomorrow, how are we going to fare?
Well, we've got a weather system lurking close by, George, but fingers crossed it's a small chance of interruptions. Let me show you why. Well, we've had the driest start to the year for, well, 80 years. However, we're now warning of heavy rainfall all at once, so it's not great. 30 or 40 millimetres of rain are expected through this evening across parts of southwest England and Wales. This is the weather system I've talked about, which will lurk its way further eastwards. It pulses the heavy rain through the night up into northern England and eastern Scotland, so a spell of fairly significant rain, our first for some time through the night. And again, it's going to be a sticky one across East Anglia and the southeast, where it's expected to stay dry. Now, through the day tomorrow, that cloud does invade southern and eastern areas slowly, but the rain tends to peter out. So let's take a look further west first of all, because the skies will brighten, and I think, if anything, it'll start to feel a bit fresher here, losing the humidity. Yes, there'll still be one or two showers, and we've a fairly brisk wind, which will bring a few more showers actually than we've seen this afternoon across Northern Ireland, but still some good spells of sunshine in between. Now, it's a similar picture across Scotland as well. We'll still have that weather system to clear from the far north and east first thing in the morning, but then it brightens up quite nicely. Quite a brisk wind bringing some showers here, particularly to the Highlands and Islands. Further south then, we start to run into that weather system, albeit a fairly weak affair by then, but it will give the risk of a few showers around, even the odd sharp one. And look at the heat across the southeast and East Anglia again. The humidity's still with us, so an uncomfortable day. There is a small chance of a shower tomorrow, but hopefully it'll be later in the day. And it does look for finals weekends if it'll get a bit fresher at long last, because we'll say goodbye to that weather system, which might rumble a few thunderstorms close to the southeast first thing on Saturday. Then it's a fresher day with some sunshine, just a few showers, but that doesn't last. The second half of the weekend brings this area of low pressure in, some quite tightly packed isobars, those lines in the northwest indicating not just wet but potentially windy weather, which will take most of the day, I think, to get down towards the southeast. So not too bad, George.
All right, Helen, thank you. A reminder of tonight's main news. A report into last year's swine flu outbreak says lessons need to be learned, but says the 1.2